Welcome to Study Loop.
Question: we are doing the Wilcoxon signed rank test. So we must first complete the table, finding the difference between D1 and D2. It's negative 17, positive 32, positive 43, positive 21, negative 60, positive 39, positive 31, then negative 42. The modulus of the difference: 17, 32, 43, 21, 60, 39, 31, 42. Then the rank for this difference from the lowest value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The signed rank is negative 1, positive 4, positive 7, positive 2, negative 8, positive 5, positive 3, and negative 6. It then states the null hypothesis for the test. H naught. There is no improvement in the scores. There is no improvement in the scores. H1, there is an improvement in the scores. Is an improvement in the scores. And H1 is the claim. We then use table G to find the critical value. Table K, sorry. N is equal to 8, alpha is equal to 0.05 for the one-tailed test, and the critical value is equal to 6. We then calculate the test value. We need to find the sum of ranks. So the positive rank sum is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, which is equal to 21, and the negative rank sum is equal to negative 1 plus negative 8 plus negative 6, which is equal to 15, negative 15. We then do the modulus for negative rank sum. Is equal to the modulus of negative 15, which is positive 15. Since the modulus of negative rank sum is the lowest, we have the test value. So our test value is equal to 15. We then compare the test value with the critical value, and since the critical value, which is 15, is greater than the test the test value is 15 is greater than the critical value, which is 6, we do not reject. And conclude that there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the scores improved. Enough evidence to support the claim that the scores